Hello friends, I'm a big fan of NexTool products and I'm using this mini sailor as my everyday carry knife for a couple of times and it is really handy. I thought that the blade would be a little bit too small, but you can see it is well used and especially the pliers come in handy way more than you would think. And it is so small, so easy to carry. It's a really nice one. But now I have the opportunity to show you this brand new Explorer E20 on my channel. So let's unbox it and then speak about all the details. And there it is. It's really flat. And basically this is a cutter knife with some additional features. Really love the way how it is designed. And officially it has 9 tools. It measures 104.5 millimeters in closed length, 32 millimeters wide, and it weighs 100 grams. So really light, and it is made of an A380 aluminium. Now of course the main tool is this cutter blade with a quick blade replacement, and that is thanks to this patented clip magazine system that can hold 3 spare blades, keep them sharp and safe. And it has a 2-stage push lock and side safety release system. So you can see here's a little safety release button. There's 1 stage, 2nd stage and 3rd stage. And you can see when it's locked in, it's really locked in and it can nowhere. So compared to those classical cutter blade knives where it wiggles around and isn't really stable, here it literally will go nowhere. Again, it locks in on the smallest position, on the lowest position, and it really locks in. So beside to this SK5 blades with a hardness of 55 to 60 HRC, there also is this nail puller. There is a Phillips screwdriver. So although it is quite small, it does do the job. I didn't thought so. There's a flathead screwdriver, the bottle opener right over here. There is a ruler on the back, and this is a hanging hole, as they say. And there is this clip as well, and you could use this as a crowbar. Now I think this could come in handy often, the bottle opener as well. For the screwdrivers, I'm a little bit skeptical, but okay. It's nice to have them there. Now you can see the SK5 blades. Know that it comes by default with this SK5 blades. You can also buy separated lace blades with a really nice design on them. And they also have ceramic blades, and those are more rust resistant. Here you can see that the blade is locked in, but if I push this switch downwards, you can see it releases the knife and I can bring back a new knife. So really easy, and of course you can switch the blade around and use the other side as well. It's a really clever solution to quickly change your blades when you're on the job. Now another really nice thing is that they are completely compatible with default cutter blade knives. So when you're running out and you don't want to spend all your money on the special blades, know that you can buy a set of these. You can see they're exactly identical. I bought this set with 5 blades in there for €3 only. We can put the blade back in. It's a really handy tool. Normally I always have my old cutter knife around, but now I will definitely use this one instead. I'm now used to do a test, as cutter blades are always really sharp. You can see it works perfectly fine. So if you're interested in this E20 Explorer, please check out my link in the video description. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I see you in the very next video. Bye bye!